There are many advantages of the solar panel cleaning brush. First, the cleaning brush is easy to assemble without too many complex installation processes and can be easily assembled by one person in 5 minutes. The second, the bristles are flexible, durable, and have high density. The special triangular design ensures that there are no dead corners when cleaning solar panels. The third, fast brush speed for easy removal of stubborn dirt on solar panels. The fourth, the telescopic rod can extend from 1.7 meters to 7.5 meters, suitable for solar panel areas with a large waste range. The fifth, the whole machine is lightweight and easy to operate, and even a girl can easily control a cleaning brush.